Good afternoon, folks. I'm Chris May with Coldwell Realty, and welcome to my latest listing here at 793 Little Fawn Trail Northwest here in Conyers, Georgia. This is a 5-bedroom, 4 full bath with a large upstairs office and a partial finished basement for laundry and storage. It sits on a corner lot of just under a ½ acre here in the Hunters Hollow subdivision. Also on the property is a 20 by 30 workshop with 110 and 220 power. My seller has been here for many years, and he's done a series of major additions and renovations, increasing the home's bedroom and bath count and increasing its size to now over 3,000 square feet. Inside you'll find high-end materials such as high-polished porcelain tile floors, real bamboo floors in some of the guest bedrooms, recessed can lights, high-end light fixtures throughout, a massive owner suite with 2 large walk-in closets, and a beautiful marble master bath. The jewel of the home is this massive kitchen, which seems to be the kitchen of doubles. There are double sinks, double ovens, and even double dishwashers, all matching GE profile stainless steel appliances. Granite countertops complement the oversized maple cabinets, making this the perfect chef's kitchen. Speaking of doubles, there's even parking for 8 cars here with the double driveway. The location is great, as you can be on the interstate in about 5 minutes, as well as in downtown Conyers in about 5 minutes. Stick around after your tour of the home and I'll show you what shopping, dining, and entertainment options there are available real nearby. Come on in, take a look around. Welcome back. Now, as promised, a brief overview of the local area. Not far away is the Georgia International Horse Park, a massive 1,100-acre facility built for the 1996 Atlanta Olympic equestrian events, and is now a great place to take in a horse show, of course, but also offers miles of walking and mountain biking trails and hosts special events as well as festivals that come here each year, such as the Cherry Blossom Festival. The home is minutes from downtown Conyers, giving you an endless choice of restaurants to choose from, like Jim and Nick's Barbecue, Freddy's has got the best burgers in town, and don't miss the authentic Mexican, outdoor seating, and live entertainment most nights at Los Flores in Old Town Conyers. Speaking of Old Town Conyers, once COVID clears, Old Town offers regular festivals with local artisans and live entertainment, along with locally owned shops and things to do, such as find just the right gift or bottle for that special meal or occasion at the local wine tasting gallery. Relax for hours and bring out your inner artist and try pottery or painting with expert help. There's even a local ballet school. Take a step back in time and try the root beer float at the local soda fountain. You can even take a few hours with local owners at Pop and Pearl and make your own custom scented candles to take home and enjoy, and they make the perfect gift. Don't leave Old Town Conyers without a visit to Sweet Treat Depot and pick out your top 3 favorites. It's a quaint little town to find just the right dinner spot, or shop until you find just the right thing for your new house. All the typical chain stores are here, like Target, Walmart, Kohl's, Home Depot, Lowe's, and more. Need more entertainment? Try hiking at the Davidson Arabia Mountain and Nature Preserve. The Yellow River is close by for picnicking, fishing, or joining the local kayak club. Or just have a plain old night out at the movies at the Crossroads 16 Theater. If you'd like more information, you've got questions, or you'd like to schedule your own private showing of this home, please give me a call at 404-803-4669. Do you have a home to sell? I'd love to hear from you as well. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button for more information. My listings always receive professional photos. They're put on 2 multiple listing services and pushed to over 700 websites. I always create an HD video just like this one. Call me or email me at chris.may@cbrealty.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.